Spice and Lisa Hanna had dinner, and plus she have a big surprise coming up on the 30th of April.
Records, we're dropping something April, so on the 30th of April, something big is coming. Just look for SSS. That's the only thing I can tell you. SSS, that's what's coming.
All right.
Thank you too for taking the time out to talk to me, and big up yourself.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Yeah, people, so New Year Spice says she have something coming big on the 30th of April, SSS, so that 3S. Who know what that mean, by the way? Remember, you know, Spice have the album of forward, the album named 10. Let me say a March, but since she has say upon the 30th, me know what, but I want to see if you know what. So when you tell me down in the comment section, comment, and me I go save it for later down in the video. Me actually I go tell you know what. Because I figure this out from somebody saying something earlier, like last month or some time ago, right? But people, we are going to talk about Spice and Lisa Hanna having dinner, right? Because, you know, a girl power every hour. Dancehall IG always represent for the ladies them. I'm like for see this. So I'm going to show you a short clip of Spice and Lisa Hanna. Here goes.
What's that, Lisa? Octopus?
Get you another one. Get out.
Watch food. Now enough people then probably say why me even show this and really nothing, but let me show you why me like the vibes here. Because Spice is an artist where, and when I talk about Spice right now, let me say Grace, because this is Grace. You know what I mean? If you're going to rub shoulder with Lisa Hanna, a Grace. You understand me? I want to know the difference between Spice and Grace. A two artists in the dancehall, me respect for be who them be on stage and in them music, and stay how them stay. They not change for nobody, but yet still people have higher stature and status, have to still respect them and even roll with them. And a Spice and Popcorn, you see me? When you see say Popcorn not change for nobody, him say what him say on live, him this who him want, this when him ready, you know what I mean, him talk, but you still say him have respect amongst, you know what I mean, like Barrister man, even Bro God. And me I talk about the Prime Minister Bro God him hang out with before, and I see him thing with Spice. Spice not change for nobody. Just my observation, and you can tell me if you don't agree or disagree down in the comment section. Now people, let's talk about Spice album a little bit, right? The album was said to be released in March, right now in March, and them say by mid-March, you know what I mean? But being that Spice just said that something bigger company 30th of April, me not know, them never really announced them a change of date. And people still await for a song there from Spice and Conscience. We don't know what go on yet. Song and music video, because we already see the snippet of the music video. So we don't know what go on yet. I'm still asked though, who's still excited for Spice album, and also who know what is the triple S, the SSS. Like me say, when you stick around me, I go tell you know what the SSS is. So go and think about it if you don't know, and if you know already, just go and comment. You see me? Now, people, if you see the video me make about Shaneil Muir yesterday, you'd hear me say she sing one song when me never hear yet, and me I go show no, right? So I have that song there today. Now, me don't know the name of the song. Me don't even know if it's a new song, but at the first me I hear it. So here what me I go do, I want to play it, but if you don't know it, I want to hear it and it's an old song or something, and me just miss it, you tell me. So me I go play it.
For them no knows if you win, you have to lose couple times. Yeah. Be humble and be grateful for what me have. Today or there, tomorrow you in a body bag. Them not like to see you when you have it all. But When you broke, everybody glad. Man, I too likes in your face. If I too kind and I too fake. Man, I take check, man, I suitcase. Man, I send check, man, I screw face. Honey, no matter what you do, me no too care. Them say me change, I know, but who cares? Them a sing more pain and I leave it. Not for them I talk about the ghetto like a gimmicks. Not for them no knows if you win, you have to lose couple time. So you know the success legit. Not for them I sing more pain and I leave it. Not for them I talk about the ghetto like a gimmicks. Not for them no knows if you win, you have to lose couple time. So you know the success legit. Yeah. Yeah. Them no, no. Them no, no, yeah. Them no, no. Yo, IGR, yeah. Yo, IGR, yeah. IGR, yeah. Number one. Never feel.
Yeah, people, so no hear what I go on. Me not lie to no. Them may have some strong, positive, touching words. You see me? Me feel everything what she said. Them a talk about the ghetto and I go on like a gimmicks and enough of them a sing about pain and never live it. You see me? Them words just stick with me. Because I don't know how thing go. You see me? I say enough people say enough things in her music and they don't really mean it. So me can relate to what she has said. And I want to know if you don't share the same sentiments like me. You just tell me down in the comments section if you don't feel a song if you don't think it's a good song. You see me? I say if you don't touch by it, if you don't can relate or what have you, right?
Records, we're dropping something April, so on the 30th of April, something big is coming. Just look for SSS. That's the only thing I can tell you. SSS, that's what's coming.
All right.
Thank you too for taking the time out to talk to me and big up yourself.
So as promised now, people, me I go tell you now what SSS is. But me not think it fair for me just give you know, so and just mash up spice thing. You see what me I say? I don't know who I go see that video here. So here what me I go do. Me I go tell you know this. It's a song. The person what it say, them have a song with the 3 S them. Me not go tell you know who that. You have to remember is either when you watch that video there or I go find out. But 2 of the S them when you know say Shaggy produced the album. So 1 of the S are Shaggy. And then 1 of the S are Spice. Now you have to know who the other S is. You have to find out. You see me? I'm going to mash up on the brain again because I post one thing in my YouTube community section. So if you watch this by YouTube, you can go over there and check it out. For the rest, I don't know, I have to just use up the comment section. You see me? I say, i.e. Facebook me attack. But here what I go on now. So I make a poll and I ask about some hit tune from the past. I'm going to put Popcorn, Only Man She Want, Ludi by Vibes Cartel and Shensia, Dexter up 7-Eleven and Alkaline Spoil You, and then the last one now I say put your one hit, you know what I mean, if you don't like none of them there. So me ask which one of them tune there you think you like the most. You see me? Or if you don't like none of them there, tell me one hit tune from back in the days. Not, you know what I mean, you can go as far as you want, but you know, just no like no 2019 tune. So me I talk about tune like even Up Top Bass and them kind of song there. And you know all of them song that we mention a female song, but it song me I talk about. You know some big song like Ramping Shop and all of that. You know what I mean? When I comment section, I see some song I drop. Me actually see the Spice song and you know me see somebody comment one Terry Fabulous or something like that. But it's up to you as to which song you think. But you know what I mean? We are called it blast from the past. Alright, so give me a blast from the past. I wanna love. One song I wanna always go play back. I wanna hear it. I wanna know see a straight fire. I wanna know that recently what inspired this. I see a meme with one Bugs Bunny with one gun. And I say when you're in a dance and you hear the song come on, the Vibes Cartel. Let me tell you why me say Big Yard Ling. I don't know that song. Everybody know that song there. So me I talk about song like them there. But people feel like me I chat too much. So me I just end the video right here. You see me? So that's it for today, people. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody, big up on yourselves. Stay safe out there. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. me I check out and go log on for YouTube and watch Queenie and Dewey wedding. If you don't know about that, you need to check in on Queenie page over Instagram at the artist thing right now, alright? So later.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yeah, they.